Hey guys, welcome to my second YouTube video. If you're not already subbed, go smash the sub button. I don't know who else says that, but also a like would be appreciated. So today, I'm going to be opening these old Topps baseball packs. They are 1988, and they're supposed to be like really old and some good cards. And if I get any good ones, sorry, one sec. I get to put them in this box. If you follow my TikTok, you know that when I go to my sports card place, they have like this $1 bin, but all the cards don't actually go for $1. They just put in whatever looks the worst. So I'm gonna put the best cards in here if they're $30 or more. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, we got some of the cards out, and let's go. So first we got Greg Swindle. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna put it in this pot. All the cards I don't know. Greg Brock. I don't know who he is. So Ken Schramm. I'm not sure about him right here. Lee Smith. No. Mike Fitzgerald. No. Dang, not good so far. Danny Walling. I have no idea. Okay, we got a manager. What is this out of? Nothing. Card 314. That actually might go for something. I'm going to put it. This is the good pile. This is the bad pile. Jim Clancy. Never heard of him before. Sorry. I don't even know. Keith Moreland. I'm going to put there. Glenn Braggs. No. Chris Bando. Never heard of him. Dwight Evans. No. Kurt Young. Why have I heard of him before? I'm going to put him in the I don't know section. That's going to be we got Wayne Tollison, don't know who that is. Jess Barfield, don't know. Don Mattingly, I've heard of him before at least. Mike, can't say the last part of his name because I'm gonna get demonetized. Reed Nichols, Daryl Strawberry. The name deserves to be in the good pile. That's all I'm saying. Dale Savoom, no. Wes Straker, no. Dave Martinez. I feel like I've heard of him before, but I'm not sure. Rick Skoo, no. Manny Trillo. I've heard of this guy. I'm gonna look at the stats. Oh no, he's terrible. John Christensen, no. Sorry, I'm just reorganizing because got Juan Castillo, never heard of him. Pentective, no. Greg Harris, no. Mike Heath, never heard of him. Moose Hass, no. Sexy stash though, not gonna lie. Johnny Grubb, no. Barry Rowe, I don't even know. Lewis, he was terrible. Bobby Meacham, no. We got Ken Daly, no. Not the best so far. We only have 3 cards in the good pile, and one of them is just because of the name. Harry John Gleaton. Oh my god. Sorry, that's the. I think I've heard of this guy. Comment down below if you've heard of him. Sorry, that's my mom. Nobody. I'm just filming my YouTube video. Sorry, guys. Dave Dravicki. Future stars Mike Gamble. What is it out of? Nothing. 246. That's a decent card. We have Jeff Russell. No, never heard of him. Paul Noyce, never. Dave Henderson, never heard of him. Ross Jones. Ooh! All-Star American League Kirby Puckett. And Willie Randolph All-Star American League. That's pretty good. Is it out of anything? No, just card 3s. We have Mickey Brantley. We have this guy. I'm not sure who he is. Bobby Witt. Ben. Oh, okay. This guy's an All-Star too. I'm going to put him in the pile. The last 5 cards have been really good. We got George Hendrick. Tim Stoddard. Reds leaders. I don't know. I guess. Looks cool. Tom O'Malley. Rocky Childress. I might just finish up this little part and then in the video because it's going to take forever and then just have a part 2. So we're going to have Tim Cruz right here. All-Star American League, Alan Trammell. Not bad. We have Eddie Williams, Fred Tolliver, number 203, Jeff Ballard, Donald Nixon, Billy Wilkinson, Eric Nolte, I don't know, nope. Bob Nepper, and we got Pirates Al Pedrique, Topps All-Star Rookie, card number 249. That's going to go in the good pile. Got Mike Moore. We got Don Taylor. We got managers out. No. Sometimes managers are out or something, so that's why I keep checking. We have this guy. Is he good? No. I don't think so. Don Schultz. Jim Traber. I'm not sure about him. Blue Jays leaders. Out of anything? That's actually kind of a cool card. Twim Steve Lombardozzi, whoever that is. John McNamara, manager, so I'm going to put him in the pile. Out of 414. Oh, wait, no, is that? I'm not sure. There's this black line right there. I don't know. It might be. There's a chance. I'm going to look him up. Mike Lloyd, Guy Hoffman, Rene Gonzalez, Stan Musical. Is this even a player? No, it's what? Is this a musician? I'm not sure. It just says turn back the clock, so I'm gonna put another turn back the clock. Oh no, they're players. They're just part-time musicians or something. I don't even know. Tom Lasorda, pretty good. Alejandro Pena. We have We have John Watman. He's a manager. Is he out of anything? No. Andre Dawson. I've heard of him, and he's an All-Star, so he goes in the pile. Wayne Henry. Joe Boover, whoever that is. George Frazier. I've heard of him, but he doesn't seem good. So, Tommy John. We have Steve Trout. Turn back the clock. Bob Gibson, pitcher. Another. Oh! Turn back the clock. Nolan Ryan, 1983. Out of anything? 661. That's not bad. Nolan Ryan. That might be our best card so far. Keep going. Junior Noboa. Phil Lombardi. We have Pirates leaders. Vicente Palacios. Never heard. Alan Nicker. Randy Bush. Bob Patterson. We have Jerry Rose. And another turn back the clock. First base, Ron Blomberg. I'm going to put him in the pile. Mario Soto. Is he a manager? I feel like he's a manager. No, he's not a manager. Lonnie Smith. Jose Oquendo. Todd Farrell. Ernie Riles. Another manager. Is it out of anything? No. But but it's this guy. So he goes in the pile. Every manager goes in the pile. Because managers, for whatever reason, they go for a lot. Scott Scanderson, no. Another manager, Tom Kelly. I've heard of Tom Kelly. Gary Matthews. Never heard of him. Greg Maddux. I've heard of him. Oh, he's the curveball guy. Yeah, the curveball guy. He goes. Kelly Downs. And we have 1988 baseball checklist. What? Gary Pettis goes in, and another manager. Gerald Young. Rafael Ramirez. Glenn Wilson. Roger McDowell. Mike Pagliarulo. Wally Backman, never heard of him. Ryan Dayette, I've never heard of him. Keith Hernandez, I've never heard of him. 1988 baseball checklist. Card 253. Basically, all the different cards are like better, I think. Jim Rice, what have I heard? Oh no, I'm thinking of Jerry Rice. He plays a different sport. I'm an idiot. Sorry, guys. Brian Smith. Never heard. Charlie Kerfeld. Wait, what? Hold up. Intermission. Bell has caught a ladybug. What? Bell caught a ladybug.
Is it dead or what?
Okay, guys, we're almost done. And also, this is kind of my face review because the last video I didn't have my face, and that was my first ever video. So, you see both piles right now. This is the pile of the people who are terrible, and this is the pile of the people that I've heard of or just seem like a good card. Bobby Bonilla. I can't believe I knew Greg Maddux is. I was just thinking when I saw that Chris Bryant thing where like Greg Maddux was pitching to him, he's like, "Oh wow, you have a nice curveball." I'm like, "Oh, he's that guy." It was Greg Maddux. He was just like wearing like, oh whatever. Kent Hrbek. Bill Buckner seems decent. No, I don't think he's anything. Joe, can't say the last name because the video could be taken down because I'm just a kid after all. Sid Bream, Bob Dernier, Randy St. Clark. Oh, that sounds like a mission or something. I don't know. One of the missions. Ken Williams, Larry Sheets, Craig Reynolds. Let me move this up a little. John Shelby, he's a Dodger. Shout out to my Uncle Nick. He's a Dodgers fan. We got Frank Tanana, Tom Brunonsky, who that is, Dave Engel, Mike Scott from the Astros. Hate the Astros. Kevin Gross, obviously Gross. David McGadden. I feel like we haven't been getting many Dodgers players except for the guy that we just got. Joe Johnson. Albert Hall. Got Rob Ducey. Alan Ashby. All the bad cards are falling down. Damn, we have like at least. I'm probably gonna have to make a part 2 to this, but yeah. R.J. Reynolds, heard of him. Tracy Jones. Hold up, is this pink ice? Okay. Yay, he put the elephant. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut that out of the video. Editor, please cut that out of the video. But whatever. Tom Darling, Gene Larkin, Tim Flannery, Randy Reed, Steve Jelks, Ivan Calderon, Milt Thompson, Jim Eisenrich. Oh, wait, what's his name? Oh, yeah. And Charlie LeBlanc. Okay, last little deck of cards, and then so far we have like 15 cards that are like really good. Got Juan Beniquez, John Crook, Nolan Ryan. I'm gonna put him in the good. Mickey Hatcher. Sorry. You guys can see the cards better. What is this? Tommy Henzo. Frank Viola. Shawan Dunston. John Franco. Nelson Liriano. Joe Hesketh. Mark Kubica. Gary Ward. Mike Davis. Got Pat Tabler. Bruce Ruffin. Tony Fernandez. Benny Santiago. Tom Henke. Ken Gerhardt. I don't know what that name reminds me of. Got Chris Bozio. Bob McClure. Doug Drabick. Is there another card behind it? Bo Jackson. Hey. I like Bo Jackson. I got this. I was pulling it. Yeah, this card. I got it out of my other box, which was 1990s. It is Purpleized Bo Jackson, and it's it's a really good card. Yeah, Bo Jackson gets to go in that. Willie Wilson, Dan Quisenberry, Teddy Higuera, Fred McGriff, Tim Raines, Mark Eichhorn, Jim Lindemann, Tom Foley, Dan Pasqua, Lee Gutterman, Barry Larkin, Tom Candiotti, Jay Howell, Spike Owen, got Eddie Murray, Andy McGaffigan, John Cerruti, Jeff Parrott. We got Bill Duran, Ray Quinones. Behind that we got Tom Herb, Julio Franco, Ron Guidry, Bud Black. Comment down below if that's anybody, because I'm going to put that in the I don't know section, which is right up here. Never mind, I can't even flip the thing. Corey Snyder. Oh, wrong file. Manny Lee. Scott McGregor. Rich Leach. Ken Caminti. Mitch Webster. Kevin Seitzer, Topps All-Star Rookie. And for the last card, Bob Serra. Okay. Okay, guys, that's probably gonna wrap up the video. If you didn't see, my TikTok is up on the upper left corner, I think, because this camera's kind of weird. But besides the point, I think it's either here or here, here or there. Okay, but besides the point, that's gonna be it for the video. If you want more, I can buy more of those little packs because we ended up getting some pretty good cards. On my TikTok, I'll show the price of the cards if you guys want. So go follow my TikTok. Once again, it's either right there or right there. And yeah, it's gonna be it. See ya.